Hey there, Meanderers. I'm Ashley, a Gen X travel lover, and today I'm taking you inside Margaritaville in Pigeon Forge, where the drinks are strong, the decor is bold, and the vibe is pure island daydream, right in the middle of the Smoky Mountains. We thought we were just coming for dinner, then a thunderstorm broke out inside the restaurant. From wall-to-wall island chaos to an indoor blender show that would make any tiki bar jealous, this place is nothing if not memorable. And out back, there's even a 5 o'clock somewhere bar, so if you're craving a margarita under the open sky, they've got you covered. The menu has everything from fish and chips to beachy cocktails, and trust me, I considered trying them all. And of course, they've got a gift shop packed with everything from flip-flop magnets to parrot-themed everything. You will leave with a souvenir or three and maybe a craving for a beach day. I kick things off with the Uptown Top Shelf Margarita, because when in Margaritaville, you don't drink from the well. We split the Spanish artichoke dip to start, and for my entree, I went with the jambalaya, which was honestly so good. The chicken was super tender, the shrimp were cooked perfectly, and it had just the right level of spice, flavorful without setting your tongue on fire. The boys gave a solid thumbs up to their meals too. One had the Southwest chicken salad, and the other the garlic bacon burger. No complaints, zero leftovers, total win. So we went early at 4:40 to skip the crowds, and we were seated right away. We had just ordered, and I didn't think much of it until the clock struck 5, and suddenly it happened. A concoction started pouring into the giant blender from pipes on the ceiling. Thunder rolled through the speakers, and a live Jimmy Buffett performance lit up all the TVs. The giant blender in the middle of the restaurant started spinning, lights were flashing, and the whole place came alive. It was 5 o'clock at Margaritaville, and we were there for it. A couple of summers ago, I stayed at the Margaritaville Resort in South Padre Island with my son. Jimmy was still with us back then, and the whole place had that classic island vibe, laid back, beachy, full of life. We never spotted the infamous lost shaker of salt on that trip, but here in Pigeon Forge, of all places, I glanced up above a doorway and there it was, tucked right between the letters and the words 5 o'clock somewhere. Jimmy passed not long after that South Padre Island trip, and seeing that little salt shaker now, it hit me. We miss you, Jimmy, but your spirit's still here, and so is your shaker of salt. We came around 4:45 and got seated pretty quickly, but by the time we left, it was packed, so go early if you can. Prices were in the moderate range for a touristy spot like this, and it's definitely family friendly, but the show is a little loud, so keep that in mind if you've got little ones or noise sensitivity. Best seats anywhere with a view of that giant blender. Was this place a little over the top? Sure, this is Pigeon Forge, y'all. Was it worth it? Absolutely. For a few salty tropical minutes, we weren't in Tennessee, we were in Margaritaville. More Pigeon Forge eats coming up soon. Next up is Paula Deen's and the Sunliner Diner. Got a favorite Margaritaville memory? Tell me below. Bonus points if it involves a shaker of salt. And if you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next food adventure. And if you'd like to support the channel, head to magicalmeanders.com, where you'll find links to buy me a coffee, my travel guides, and more. Every little bit helps keep the adventures coming. Thanks so much for meandering with me. See you in the next one. And remember, adventure is out there.